we are currently on the way to the weight station. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and weigh this car today, just to see. I'm just curious, you know, what these times. I'm just curious to know how much the car weighs. I do end up planning to do some more weight reduction, so this is kind of like a baseline to see, you know, what it's like. No seats, current, like, you know, wheel setup. So I might swap out the fronts as well for something a little lighter. But I got a little tired too. We were out last night until like 3:15 maybe, and then I came home. I stayed up till for like another 2 hours, so I didn't go to bed until like 5:15, and then woke up about a half hour ago. So running on about 5 hours of sleep. And apparently today as well, they're doing like some day roll racing in like 4 hours. So I might, no, not even. They're doing it at like 2 o'clock. So might roll out to that as well. Like I said, yeah, we're with Marcus rolling out to the weight station. Perfect time to do it too, because I'm at a quarter tank. So I think this place is actually pretty close as well. I think we just have to make a left, and then it's like right down the road, like a block away. But I guess Marcus is also doing his car because he's on like more of a daily setup now. I think he has like the seats back in and shit, so I think he's also gonna weigh his car. And he's no longer on the skin. He's actually on, his front tires are my stock tires I had on the rear in this car, because he has skinny pop up front, and I just told him, yeah, you can use these. So yeah, he literally he's running my stock tire, and they're pretty heavy, the stock wheels. So I think he's just curious to see what his car is, right? How it stands. I think I remember where this is. We are pretty close. Apparently too, Marks was saying, there's, I guess, some fast shit going out. The cars that will be there at 2 o'clock today. I guess it's some crazy shit. Might pull up. He said I'm probably gonna take a couple L's, but that's good. I mean, that's alright. So I mean, I'm down to run whatever. Everyone knows that. I'm good for whatever. I'm chilling. It's also a super nice week coming up. It was like 80 something. It was like 81 yesterday. And it's gonna be like all high 70s the rest of the week too. But I gotta go home on Tuesday. It's snowing there. It's like 30 degrees. So looking forward to it, obviously, to see my family and shit, but I'm not looking forward to this weather. Good thing he came with me as well, because I had no idea. I did not know where this was. This weight station. And he said you gotta like press some buttons or some shit. Oh yeah, here it is. 2?
Number 2?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I'll be waiting.
All right, thank you.
How much do you think it's gonna weigh?
Honestly, I have no fucking clue. I have 0 clue.
I think it's gonna be like 3,700 pounds because that Whipple's gonna add 100 pounds to it.
I know, that's what I was thinking. I was like, the Whipple is gonna add some weight to it, and then no rear seat, and then obviously like the tire setup too, because they weigh.
Yeah.
I don't even know what it weighs to the stocks.
It probably weighs the same as the stock, to be fair.
You think? You think?
Probably does. I would be surprised.
I know the stocks are heavy, bro.
But you got a big tire, 30-inch tall tire. That is heavy. I would not be surprised if this is probably within like 50 pounds of stock weight. I'm not gonna lie. It's probably 3,700 pounds. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm at a quarter tank too. It's like perfect time. Yeah, I just said I'm at like 38 or something like that.
All right, let's go get ours.
Yep. All right, let's get the slip. 50 from stock, huh? I don't know about y'all, I cannot use the Mustang backup camera. To get center at least. Alright, let's go get this slip. Alright, what did you say it was gonna be?
3,700 pounds.
3720. What's the stock weight on these? I don't even know what the stock.
I want to say actually, I think they're high 3,700 pounds or very low 38. The 10 speeds might be 38. You can look on Google, I'm pretty sure. But I think the manuals are like high 3,700 pounds.
What'd yours weigh?
3640. But I had 30 to E, so.
Yeah, like an 80-pound difference.
Yeah, that's the Whipple right
I know, that's the Whipple. That's the only.
So, realistically, like half a tank, I'm gonna say probably add like at least like 30 pounds to mine, so like 3670, roughly 3680. That's how much I think my car weighs right now, the way it is. I knew it was gonna be like 3,600 pounds, mid to high 3,600 pounds.
Yeah. Then we gotta start shaving some weight.
That's actually not bad though, realistically.
That's still heavy. I feel like 37. Toss this over here.
The type of cars that are out now, it's not that bad. Like if this was like 10 years ago, yeah, it'd just be heavy.
Dude, I feel like we used to be rolling up on people that are like, yeah, it's 3,200 pounds. Like,
yeah. Like my old the black car, it was like 3,100 pounds.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that thing was light.
What was the white one?
32.
Holy shit. Yeah, so I got some weight cutting to do.
Like 20, it was like 29.
Oh my god.
Light, bro. Yeah, the black car.
That wasn't making a lot of power though. It was like significantly.
I think it was like making like 400 horsepower.
Yeah, see.
The black car was making like 6, and it was like 3,200 pounds when you were here, and then I got it down to like 31. So that was pretty light. You can get used to like 3,200 pounds though, but you gotta like tin can them out.
Yeah, it's a tin can, it brakes.
Yeah.
Then probably some like front runners and whatnot. I thought I was less. I thought I was like in the 30s. But yeah, 3720, not bad. Not bad, because the stock is like 38 something. Obviously added a little bit of weight with the Whipple. But with the dumps and everything, I wasn't even thinking about the dumps. The dumps did definitely shave some weight. Because I just remember taking it out of the trunk when I got it back from the shop, taking like all the exhaust parts out. It's a lot of weight, man. So the dumps definitely do save some weight as well. So we'll see where we go from here. I was just talking to Marcus. Do some carbon maybe, doors, trunk, hood. Shaving definitely would not be bad though. I feel like he thinks it's good. Like he thinks 3,700 pounds for like today's cars is not bad. But I swear every time I'm rolling up somewhere, these dudes are saying like 3,200 pounds. So I don't know, I feel like 37 might be a tad heavy. But shit, like he said, I do some front runners, do some brakes, some carbon doors. Used to like even the K member as well. But we'll see what we do in the future. Shave some weight. Still want to do the oil pump gears and pulley down. And I don't know if I want to do front runners, to be honest, because they would be lighter, but I do kind of want to do like a matching set of Lagunas up front and sacrifice a little bit of weight for some looks. And just save some weight somewhere else, like do the seats or something. But also, I don't know, I don't think I want to give up my comfortability, to be honest. So I don't know. I know I was thinking about seats, but I don't know anymore. I don't think I'm considering it. Just because I'm not really trying to be driving, you know, hour to meet up somewhere, then be in the car for 2 hours. Or not 2 hours, but hour there, hour back, 2 hours, then like an hour of racing or whatever. 3 hours in Kirky. I don't know, man. These seats, because this is the base model, so they don't have like any of the electronics like motors in them, so they are decently light. Probably like 40 pounds, 45 pounds. They're not heavy. I took this one out and just felt it, and it's not heavy. So I don't know, is it worth it to be uncomfortable? I don't know. I don't think so. But if you guys all enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like, drop a sub, all that good shit, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.